Are you a first-time buyer looking to purchase in Canmore? There hasn't been many options around recently, but come today with me to my latest listing. It's just a hop, skip, and a jump from downtown Canmore and the Bow River. Welcome to 206 200 Three Sisters Drive. This 3-level townhome is over 900 square feet. We're on the middle level right now, which has had 2 bedrooms. What's great about these bedrooms is they've got really big windows that let in all that natural south-facing light. And the floor just below us has your entranceway with covered parking and storage. And then on this level, just to my right, we've got a 4-piece bathroom and a laundry room. And you're gonna wanna stick around to see what the upper level living space looks like. So this condo was built to maximize the views. So you've got your main living space anyway on the top level. We do have an entrance from the visitor parking just behind me with a 2-piece bathroom. And then it opens up into this beautiful kitchen and south-facing living room with gas fireplace and some incredible south-facing mountain views. One of my favorite features about this condo is all the natural light that just floods through these windows. Not only does it give you some beautiful natural light inside the property, but it also keeps the property nice and cozy and warm in the wintertime. As I said, this property is ideal for first-time buyers. It's so centrally located. It's very close to the bus routes, steps from the Bow River here, and also steps from downtown Canmore. As always, if you've got any questions about this property, my contact information is just below. And please don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great listing videos coming in the next few weeks.